Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how we can know which technology are demanded in the current market. So let's see how we can know about it. Okay. Before start my video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest update. Okay. So first open any browser and search Google Trends where we can know which one is trending in any topic. Okay. Click on first homepage link, then open this type of web page. Okay. Suppose take an example of backend developer. Okay, in backend developer there are so many technology is used, just like Java, Node.js, Python, PHP. Okay, out of those technology, which one is trending in the current market? How we can know that? That things we are going to see. Here first we have to type PHP, then we have to compare with Node.js, and as you can see in India PHP is mostly used than Node.js. Okay, then those technology is compared with Python. Wow, in India Python is used than PHP and Node.js. Okay, now compare with Java. As you can see in India Java is mostly used technology for backend. Okay, and now we can see in world which technology is more priority. Okay, let's say let's select in world. Okay, as you can see Python is mostly used in world. Okay, in this way we can compare different technology in different location. Okay, and also we can prepare for that means if you want to get job in India, then which technology we have to prepare, then we have to get idea about it. Thanks for watching this video.